my channel. Today I am doing a what I eat in a day. I love watching this kind of video and I love to see what people are eating for breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. So yes, I am going to do everything from scratch. There's some sound going on in the background. That's my brother doing a Zoom meeting. So yeah, I just wanna get started. And for breakfast I'm gonna have a gyoza mangdu, which is like a Korean dumpling, and most of the people eat it like a deep fried, but today I'm gonna have it as a soup because it's very cold in UK. Anyways, let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna put the boiling water in a pot. Okay, so I'm just gonna put onions, some garlic, which I love. So I'm gonna put 1 spoon of chicken powder, a little bit more, and some soy sauce. This is my favorite soy sauce. Add that and then mix it. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt as well. A little bit of salt. And let it boil for a few minutes. This is how it looks like, guys. I'm also gonna add some fish bowl for flavor. Once the soup is ready, I'm just putting some green onions. I love green onions, by the way, and some chili, and I've got some seaweed, so I'm just gonna put 2 seaweeds there, and voila, it's ready. I'm gonna do a test test, so here's the soup. Masito. So we are boiling this noodle in this hot boiling water. We put some garlic, some spring onion, lots of chili flakes, some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, some chicken powder, sugar, some vinegar. Heat up the oil. So guys, my noodles is ready and I've got some broccoli and carrots and cucumber. Let me do test. Ooh, smells so good. My god, this is so good. You should try it at home, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this now and I'll catch you later. Hi guys, I'm back and I'm about to eat the snacks, and this is what I've got. I've got this chana, dried chana, and also a 1 paratha. This is made by my sister, so I don't know how she cooked it. I don't know the recipe of this chana. Anyways, so yeah, let me do the test. So good. It is exactly the same as Nepal ko chana. I give this 10 out of 10. I'm just having a water from the Okay, अब चाहिँ डिनरमा भेटौँ ल. I'm gonna have this and enjoy. For dinner, I'm cooking this pork masu with sag, and I guess you guys know the drill how to cook pork masu. That's for my dinner. I'm having dal bhat, pork masu with sag, and this one is chicken with capsicum, and this is my dinner. अब चाहिँ म खान लाग्यो गाइस हैन, अनि नेपाली भएपछि त एक टाइम त भात खानै पर्यो। मैले पकाएर नि होला, पोक चाहिँ एकदम दामी छ। अरु चाहिँ आन्टीले बनाएको छ।